Side note, this is hilarious. So I'm going through my memory box. I was going to throw out this planner, but I'm not going to now.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm...
Hey y'all, in today's video, I'm going to be decluttering and organizing my closet. First things first, I'm going to remove all of the clothing from the closet and I'm going to go through it and see what I want to keep and what I want to give away.
You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed losing focus.
Everything that I decide I want to donate will go into that clear bag, and everything that I want to keep will go back into the closet.
And find something greener than gold. I turn my head and hold it high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Ain't my number, isn't how I wanted to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener than gold.
Next, I drag everything out of the bottom of the closet, pile it onto the bed so that I can go through it. Don't mind me as I proceed to get lost in a bag of makeup I found in the bottom of the closet that I didn't know I had. Whilst digging through the junk, I actually found this from when John was in NASCAR. This is a charm that my grandmother got me the day I graduated high school. Side note, this is hilarious. So I'm going through my memory box. I was going to throw out this planner, but I'm not going to now. It's a 2010 planner, and me and John had been dating since October 19th, 2009. And on January 4th of 2010, on a Monday, I wrote in here, started school back at the Ville, went to school for one class, got checked out because of weather. John came over and I had to cut his hair because he told his parents he was getting a haircut. Supposed to be home at 8, but he called his dad and said he could stay. He said he could stay out till 9:30. Then his dad said he was in trouble for staying out. If that doesn't sum up our relationship when we dated, I don't know what does. Another thing I found while flipping through here, in March, On Tuesday, the 2nd of March, John's grandmother Rose was in the hospital. And I put in here, Grandma Rose, hospital with John, stayed the night. Uh-oh, his parents would have killed us. And on the 19th, like the 19th of every month, like I wrote, 5 months in love. It is really hard to believe we've been together, married for 7 years. I can't.
Before piling everything back in, I went ahead and vacuumed out the closet. And this is it, guys. It's all done. I don't have a shoe organizer. I do need to go to IKEA and get one of those, but this is what I'm working with for now. And this is the bag of clothes that I'm going to be donating. If you all like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I hope you all are having a beautifully blessed evening, morning, noon, night, no matter what time it is when you're watching this. I hope it's blessed. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.